Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Ulundha Vadai. Ulundha Vadai is made with ulundu. So if any auspicious celebration or festival happens in our house, first we make Ulundha Vadai only. We can make this for evening snack also. So first if we make Ulundha Vadai properly, then with this Ulundha Vadai we can make other varieties also like Tair Vadai, Rasam Vadai, Sambar Vadai, like that. So let's go into the video how to make Ulundha Vadai in a very nice way. If we make a fluffy soft batter, then Vadai comes very soft. Coconut chutney goes well with vada. So already I have uploaded coconut chutney in my Elite recipes. So in this vada recipe, I will attach the coconut chutney recipe. So please go to description box and see how to make coconut chutney. So now let's see what are ingredients needed to make vada. This is 1.5 cup of urud dal and 1 handful of raw rice. Wash this rice and soak it in water for at least minimum 2 hours. Small piece of ginger, curry leaf, half a liter of cooking oil, salt, small onions, green chilies. See how the dal has popped out and come. Now drain the excess water. Add little by little dal in the running grinder. Then add ginger and green chilli. Wipe the dal that sticks to the wall of the grinder container. Just sprinkle water now and then to avoid jamming of the grinder. You can even use cold water or room temperature water. This will take 15 minutes to get fluffy white batter. Then you can transfer into a vessel. So in this white fluffy batter, you can add chopped curry leaves, chopped small onions. Mix it well. Now on the stove, in the kadai, pour half a liter of oil. I have taken a small banana leaf to shape the vada. You can even use milk packet cover or polythene cover, or if you are experienced, you can even use your hands. Take small ball of batter, place it on the leaf, flatten it with your wet hands. Make holes on the center with your finger, and now you can put it on the oil for deep fry as per the video shows. Now flip the vadas both sides till it gets golden brown. If your vada drinks too much of oil, it means you have added more water. Next time reduce. You can add rice flour if batter is not in correct consistency. Use good quality of urud dal. It matters also. Good quality urud dal gives more quantity of vadai. The important thing in vada is you need practice. First time itself it is difficult to make perfect shape. So now after it turns to golden brown, in a bowl or a plate, wrap with tissue paper and take all the cooked vadas. Now crispy golden brown vada is ready. If we make any special menus like sweets, oily items, usually before eating, we offer to God, do Naivedya and take that as prasad. Please try this recipe and